A single unified safeguarding review, SUSR, is carried out when someone has experienced abuse or neglect and suffered significant harm or died as a result, and where it is thought lessons can be learned. Agencies come together to discuss what happened and whether anything could have been done differently. Independent reviewers are appointed and produce a report with recommendations on what needs to happen in the future. The views of the person who was harmed and their family are central to the process, and they are offered the opportunity to meet with the reviewers and panel to inform the learning. All completed reviews will be held in the Wales Safeguarding Repository. Professionals will be able to access the reviews to inform better learning and training and improve safeguarding processes for the future. A Welsh Government Coordination Hub is in place to support delivery of the process, and an SUSR support network provides a critical oversight function, ensuring learning is implemented. This new approach prevents the need for families to take part in multiple, often onerous and traumatizing reviews, and allows multi-agency review teams to quickly identify learning and provide a clear action plan to improve services.